Hi guys, welcome back to 2.0. I'm Alex and today we have a different setup, and this is actually the car that we always use for our essential and grocery runs. Now it's important to constantly disinfect your cars to avoid the spread of bacteria and microbes, and studies show that aircon is one of the main things that can easily spread germs. And that's why we're focusing on that today. But first, let me introduce to you this Sonax Car Aircon Cleaner. It's made in Germany and it's an antibacterial solution that gives a long-lasting fresh fragrance in the interior, it removes unpleasant odors, and it's convenient and easy to use. First, you have to start your car. Then turn on the aircon, set fan speed to high, set air recirculation on, and set the blower direction to point towards the seats and footwells. Make sure all cabin blower vents are open as well. Then adjust the front seat forward to give room at the back and also adjust the backrest. Make sure to shake the can before use. Press the button on the can. Then put on the floor of the back seat, then leave it inside the car until the can is empty, which will take about a minute or two. After that, open the doors and ventilate the car for 10 minutes. You can actually buy this product on Lazada for $5.80 only, and if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section down below. I'm Alex and I hope you stay safe.